Cap 26 here, it just appears in hobbies. This is a stainless steel spoon. I don't know if you can see that there or not. I got it in the camera view. Okay, but it's magnetic. Okay, so yeah, it's magnetic. So let's put it on this other piece of metal, which is magnetic, and to see if we can tack this to the metal. And you know what? It's too thick. Too thick to go through the metal. Let's try it like down here. Like right here. Too thick. Okay, so, you know, you can't do anything. Let's see. This is probably... Let me turn my caliper on. It's 8 millimeters thick. I would say you could do probably 5 millimeters. Tack two things together. Maybe two razor blades. Let's see if I have those. Oh, I don't have them readily available, but we'll do it in another video. I'll just turn that off. And that's what I want to show you. Let's do thinner stainless steel. So if you have like a stainless steel chain, see if this was stainless steel, it would do thinner stainless steel chain probably. You know, that's the last video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.